Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine. I am Sir Bilal and I am going to teach you computer science. Now we are going to start our new chapter, input devices. These are the topics which we will study in this chapter. Some topics will be discussed in this video and rest of them will be discussed in the upcoming videos. Let's discuss the introduction of this chapter. As you all know that what is input? A computer is a data processing system that converts input, which is called data, into output, which is called information. A computer must be able to accept data. Input devices are the hardware devices which are used to supply data to the computer. The selection of devices depends on the application for which the computer is being used. So, input devices are used to provide data and control signals for a computer. They also allow user to enter raw data for processing. The first input device which we are going to studying is the keyboard. What is a keyboard? The keyboard is the most common and the most important input device. Entering data using a keyboard is called manual data entry. A keyboard has 104 keys. Alphabet keys are used to enter alphabetic data. A numeric keypad is used to enter numerical data, whereas special keys give instructions to the computer. A keyboard is a panel of buttons which are used for typing and performing other functions on a computer. It enables a user to enter data into computer or other devices. Computer keyboards are similar to electric typewriter, but it contains additional typing keys. Now we have pointing devices after keyboard. Pointing devices allow users to indicate the function to be performed by controlling the movement of a pointer on the screen. A pointing device is an input interface that allows a user to input data to a computer. We have some pointing devices which are mentioned in your notebook and we will discuss them. Mouse, touchpad, touch screen, joystick and light pen. Mouse, a pointing device. The electronic mouse is used to point at objects on the screen and give commands. A mechanical mouse has 2 or 3 buttons and also a scroll wheel on the top. It has a ball underneath and is attached by a cord to the system unit. An optimal mouse has no rotating ball and can be used on any surface. A cordless mouse does not need a cord. It emits wireless signals to communicate with the computer. A mouse is a device that controls the movement of the cursor or pointer on a display screen. A mouse is a small object you can roll along a hard or a flat surface. As you move the mouse, the pointer on the display screen also moves in the same direction. Touchpad, another pointing device. A touchpad is a small, flat surface with buttons around the edge. Moving a stylus or a finger across the pad moves the cursor. The button works like mouse buttons. Touchpads are mostly used in laptops. Touchpad is an input device which is used for controlling the pointer on a display screen by sliding the finger along a touch sensitive surface. What is a touch screen? A touch screen is used both as input or output device. It consists of a touch-sensitive screen covered with a plastic or glass layer. Users select and enter data by touching points on the screen. Touch screen is a display device which allows the user to interact with a computer by touching areas on the screen. Joystick. A joystick consists of a vertical lever mounted on a base. Moving the lever in different directions moves the cursor. Joysticks are oftenly used to control video games and usually have one or more push buttons whose state can also be read by the computer. What is a light pen? A light pen looks like a normal pen which is connected to a computer. It is used to select items on the screen. It can also be moved by hand over a pad to enter drawings into the computer. Light pen is a pen-shaped device for direct interaction with a computer through a cathode ray tube display. Okay students, so we have done the first part of the chapter input devices. So now if you have any query, you can ask me in our class. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.